Good morning students, welcome to the class. Now we need to discuss about the atmosphere. The earth is surrounded by a layer of gas is called atmosphere. Yes, here you can observe the image that earth covers a blanket, right? A fog like blanket. So that is nothing but the atmosphere of the planet earth. So this atmosphere is the combination of various gases. This atmosphere passes 1600 kilometers from the earth ground to sky. Yes, this long path of the atmosphere divided into 5 layers. Those are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Yes. So in this troposphere where we are living and all the organisms are living, that is called troposphere. And this atmosphere contains 99% pure and good air. In this, nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, remaining carbon dioxide, argon or other gases contain 1%. Yes, we know that nitrogen is very necessary for the growth of the living organisms. And oxygen is very necessary for, yes, of course, the human breath. And carbon dioxide is necessary for the plant growth. And carbon dioxide will retain the radiation received by the earth and make the earth warm. So we need carbon dioxide up to some extent. So at the sufficient level, we need the carbon dioxide also on the planet of the earth to keep the earth warm up to some extent. Okay, yes. So like this, when we go up from the ground level of the earth, we will decrease the density of the atmosphere. So the density of the atmosphere or oxygen at the sea level is maximum. So when we go up from the sea level to the sky, the density will decrease, the oxygen levels will decrease. That's why the mountain climbers encounter the breathing problems when they climb up the mountain. That's why they have to carry oxygen cylinders while they are climbing the mountains. Yes, and the wind. So the moving air is called wind. This wind shifts from high pressure areas to low pressure areas. The next one and the last topic in our lesson is biosphere, the domain of the life. Yes, biosphere means, bio means life, right? Yes, wherever the living organisms are present, that sphere is belongs to the biosphere. Or in the biosphere, all the living organisms will come. Yes, the life may present in water, air and on the surface of the combination of lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. The life present in these 3 layers is called biosphere. Yes, in this biosphere, from a very small bacteria to very large mammal animals also contain in this biosphere layer. So we can say that the life present sphere is biosphere. These 3 spheres are interact and influence each other: lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. And in the biosphere, the planet kingdom is separate from the animal kingdom. Yes, there were 2 living organisms. The first one is planet kingdom, second one is animal kingdom. Not only that, if anything happen in the one sphere like lithosphere, another sphere may be affected because of that. So for example, cutting down of the trees and clearing the lands for the agriculture may leads to the soil erosion. Because of the soil erosions, floods may submerge that area. And next one, because of the tsunamis which related to the hydrosphere, submerged many land masses which was related to the lithosphere. Yes, so because of the tsunami, recently we lost some area in Andaman and Nicobar. So some part of the Andaman and Nicobar submerged under the water because of tsunami. So these are the some examples that effect of the one sphere on the other. And the next one, because of the air, polluted air which comes from the vehicles, power plants, and many factories and industries polluting the atmosphere. Yes, and CO2, carbon dioxide, is very important, but increasing levels of the carbon dioxide will leads to the increasing the heat of the earth. Yes, the increase of the carbon dioxide is increasing the temperature on the earth. Because of this, the earth is burning. This phenomena is called global warming. Due to the increase of carbon dioxide on the planet of the earth, if the earth temperature is increasing, this is called global warming. So these are all the mistakes which was committed by the human beings who are presented in the biosphere. Because of this, the lithosphere is affecting, hydrosphere is affecting. So leaving the waste materials from the factories into the hydrosphere water, lakes, rivers. So the organisms which are living under the water are dying because of the human pollutant. So like this, biosphere, lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere are interlinked. So we have to use the resources on the earth very carefully, and we should not pollute the environment which present around us. So we have to protect the earth by reducing the usage of vehicles, chemicals and remaining pollutions. This is all about the lesson, the major domains. Thank you.